I got something to prove. Not to the world, but to myself and to my mom watching from heaven. I've been told I wouldn't make it this far, that I'd fold under pressure, breaking the scars. I've carried my past like a weight on my back, still showed up every time, still stayed on track. I've cried in silence, clenched my jaw, asked God what all this pain was for. But every time I thought I was done, I woke up breathing, still not gone. They thought I'd stop, thought I'd stay down, but I've got more fight in me now. I show myself when I don't quit. I show my mom up in heaven watching it. I show them all who stood in my way. I don't back up, I don't break. If you're standing in my path tonight, I'm coming through with everything I've got inside. I don't swerve, I don't slow, I hit it head on like a bulldozer. I've been knocked down, yeah, I've been tested. Life tried to label me reckless, defective, but I'm still here, still standing tall, still answering purpose every time I fall. They don't know the nights I barely survive, the prayers I whispered just to stay alive. I don't move out of fear, I move with faith, and I don't wait for roads, I make my way. I've earned every step I take. I didn't come this far to hesitate. I show myself when I don't quit. I show my mom up in heaven watching it. I show them all who stood in my way. I don't back up, I don't break. If you're standing in my path tonight, I'm coming through with everything I've got inside. I don't swerve, I don't slow, I hit it head on like a bulldozer. Every scar says I survived, every breath says I'm alive. I don't need permission to rise, I was built for more than goodbye. I show myself every single day. I show my mom I made my way.